Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system options. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me pick maybe German. Let's tap on it and choose the region. So let's tap. And as you can see, our new language immediately appears on this list. However, the English is still a main one, so we have to reorder the languages to apply the second one. So let's tap on it and hold it, and now drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and tap on this option, tap on the language, hold it, and drag it to the first position. Of course, if you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on delete. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.